Hey, good morning. This is the brand of chocolate that I like to use. There's so many different brands. I kind of use a mixture of both sometimes, depending on the brands and what I'm making. This is unsweetened chocolate with 100% full cacao, the darkest of dark chocolate, with no sweeten. There's also semi-sweet in here as well. Some nice chocolate chunks or whatever. I'm finishing up this chocolate chip batter and stuff like that, so it looks good, and I'm getting ready to bake it off. This is the last recipe that I am formulating. I might do one more special edition one. However, this is going to be it for these. So we have 4 different flavors. This is the vanilla bean chocolate chip cookie dough that I formulated. I'm getting ready to bake those off. Look forward to the finished product. We have my P&P cookies, which is pistachio and peanut butter. We have pumpkin and gingerbread cookies. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And that is it. Yes, those conclude the batters, and it concludes all of the flavors for the cookies as of now. Just wanted to showcase this beautiful batter one more time. This is vanilla bean chocolate chip cookie dough. Just wanted to showcase it one more time now that it is all together and stuff with these beautiful semi-chocolate and unsweetened chocolate to give it a good balance. How the cookie crumbles, literally. This is still warm and moist, fresh out of the oven. Just wanted to show you guys the bake and the softness and the gooiness of this cookie. And this is pretty much the final product, okay? Very good, very, very delicious vanilla bean chocolate chip cookies. I wanted to add one addition to the vanilla bean chocolate chip cookies. However, this is the final product. Very gooey, very soft, very textural, still crispy, not too soft, not too crunchy. And I already advertised the bake. Okay, so these ones are just a tad bit more risen and developed. However, these ones are the perfected product. Okay, vanilla bean chocolate chip cookies for the bake sale.